Hello everyone, this is Lapug of the Poke community, and today I'm going to show you how to use Tileset Manager to add your own tile sets. In the game there's only a certain amount of tile sets you can have, so today we are going to add our own. So go ahead and open up Tileset Manager. Then you're going to go ahead and load your ROM. I will be using Fire Red for this example. Then you're going to go ahead and open up a Tileset image. This will be a raw file, a bin file, or a DMP file. So I will provide a pre-made file that I already have in the description below. I have a DMP file that's better to use. Then you're going to go ahead and find what offset you want to use. Just play it safe. You can click for the amounts of blocks for Fire Red. We have 384 blocks, and if you're using like Emerald or Ruby, the max is 512. So since I'm doing Fire Red, I'm going to type in 384, and then I'm going to click Find, and it says that I need 7,982 bytes. So I'm going to go to Free Space Finder. I'm going to open up my ROM, and then I'm going to type in 7982, and then I'm going to copy that offset, place it in the offset box, and then leave major tile set and sub color 0 unchecked. I'll explain major tile set in a different video as a completely different thing, but for now just leave those two unchecked. Go ahead and click insert. You'll get a pop-up and it'll say your tileset number is, and then it'll probably be a 6-digit number. Go ahead and open up AMAP. I imagine for you Fire Red hackers you're going to be using 1.92, so I'll go ahead and use that as well. Go ahead and choose whatever map you want to change the tileset to, and then move this up so I can see it. New tile set number is 186624, so go ahead and type that into your tile set 2 for right now. So 186624, 186624. You might get some errors. That's just AMAP's way of saying I hate you, and just keep working through it. And then boom, we see right here that it finally changed for us. You can go ahead and click save on the map, like double click it if you want. Then you'll notice that the map looks exactly the same. That's going to be completely fine. You're going to go to blocks, so click your block editor, click load tileset 2, and then you're going to choose a tileset image that you saved. I saved a random tileset from the game, and now I'm just going to load it. It's going to give me an error, whatever. Go ahead and if you go down to the blocks for tileset 2, you'll notice that it's kind of messed up. So go to blocks, click change amount. It says 384 already. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and input a different number. So let's go ahead and put like 24. Go ahead and click through these errors. And then we're going to click 380. We're going to change the amount of blocks again, but this time we're going to choose 384, which is the max. And what this is going to do is, since the size is higher, we're going to have to repoint. So I'm going to click OK, and then it's going to say search for a new offset. So I'm just going to find one random, click through the errors again, and then go ahead and close that, and you'll see that the map looks all funky. Just as you saw that box, if you don't get that box for repointing, you have to make sure to go to settings and turn off automatically look for offsets. You cannot have that checked if you want to do this. Alright, so now that your map looks all funky, you can go ahead and click your block editor again, go down to your blocks, and you'll see that there's all this blackness. So if I was to go right here and let's say, I don't know, I'll make some random block just to show you as an example. Like these are white trees, and I'm going to just spam this all over the map. And I'm just going to show you this in the game that it's actually working. Right now the tile set is inserted into the map and into the game, so it is working, but some people might be iffy on if it's actually going to load up in the game. So head outside. And there you go. As you can see, the white trees. This is indicative that the tile set image has worked. And that's really it. From here on out, you can just go ahead and modify your tile set to your likings. The next video I'll do for you guys is how to insert a parent tile set so that you can have 2 new tile sets per map if you want, so that you can maximize the amount of blocks and tiles you use per map to make your new maps really decorative or whatever you want to do. Alright, thanks for watching.